Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on LinkedIn messaging read receipts. This is a useful feature if you want to control whether people can see when you've read their messages, giving you more privacy in your professional communications. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account where you want to adjust these messaging settings. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy controls to notification preferences. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Data Privacy. This section contains all the settings related to how your information is shared and how you interact with others on the platform. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Messaging Experience. This is where LinkedIn groups all the controls related to how you send and receive messages. It's an important area if you want to customize how you communicate on the platform. Within the Messaging Experience section, click on Delivery and Typing Indicators. This specific setting controls whether others can see when you've read their messages and when you're typing a response. It's essentially the read receipt feature that many messaging platforms use. Here you'll see a toggle button. This simple switch is what controls your read receipts. If the toggle is on, people can see when you've read their messages. If it's off, your read status remains private. Click the toggle to turn it on or off based on your preference. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to save or confirm anything. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn read receipt settings, giving you more control over your messaging privacy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.